What is up, you guys? It is Parker with howtomakewreaths.com. Today on the blog, we are talking about wreath storage. So this is our absolute favorite way to store wreaths. These are what's called Z-racks, y'all. We built these ourselves. I think it was only like 4 or 5 pieces that we bought off of Amazon. But favorite thing, it's on wheels, you guys. And if I kind of set it up so you guys can kind of see, this is actually perfect for craft shows. Y'all, when we did craft shows, we could roll these things right onto the trailer, unload them at the craft show, and then we'd use them as grid wall in our booth. Another good thing, 2 sides. So we have the front and the back loaded up with wreaths. It saves a lot of space. And if something sells off of the front at a craft show, you can just move it right onto the back. So it has literally tons and tons of space for storing wreaths. And again, on wheels, movable. We can roll this thing wherever we want. I can move it into the middle of the warehouse and it's fine, y'all. So just to give you guys a quick example of how we built this. So the black metal part here, it goes across the top. It's called a Z-rack. I have a link below on how to get that from Amazon. And then we got these closet racks. Y'all know the white ones that we get from, or you get from Home Depot? They're right next to the shelving. We just zip tied them on to the frame. And then we use shower hooks or these little carabiners to hook the wreaths onto here, and then you're done. One thing we did do is we spray painted it all black, so it kind of just looked nicer in the booth. Because you know the racks usually come in white, the racks were already black, the poles were silver, so we painted everything black just so it would look nice and uniform. But that is it, y'all. This is our absolute favorite way to store and transport wreaths. Hope it helps, y'all. Bye.